I was involved in an auto accident. I was crossing a pedestrian crosswalk when I was struck by a car. I knew of Jeff's reputation, so I called. I had a very good experience with he and his team. He works very closely with Misha as paralegal and Corey as secretary, and they were very good about getting back to me and keeping me advised of what was going on in my case. A very good experience. One thing I could elaborate on about that Jeff and his team did, they took charge of all my medical bills and getting of medical records. That was a huge burden off my back because I was very concerned that bills would be pouring in. And I have insurance, of course, but who's going to pay for them? The person who struck me, my health insurer, my own insurance. They took charge of all that. They sent them to the people that they needed to be sent to, the medical bills, and they were paid. Sometimes not as quickly as we would have hoped, but they were all paid, and they were excellent about that and kept me totally out of that picture, which is exactly where I wanted to be.
Okay.
As a lawyer, Jeff impresses me by his professionalism, by his knowledge of the law. He's very thorough in his casework. He's very well prepared. He demands respect from the court. I've seen that when I've been in court with him. He is excellent at keeping me, in my case, on an even keel. It's different when you're not representing someone, but instead are being represented. All of a sudden, I found myself as the center of attention, and Jeff kept me on an even keel throughout, sort of as I was recovering and as the case moved forward. I would recommend Jeff, without question, to friends and members of my family, without question, absolutely.